Now here the question is, let f dash x equals 192x cube upon 2 plus sine pi x to the power 4 for all x belongs to R with f 1 by 2 equals 0. Now if this integral from 1 by 2 to 1 fx dx lies between m and capital M, then the possible values of m and m are. Now in this question we are not given fx but we are given f dash x. So we can write f dash x as 192x cube upon 2 plus sine to the power 4 pi x. Now in this interval, when the value of x lies between 1 by 2 and 1, this 192x cube, it is an increasing function. So value of this function, it increases. And what about 2 plus sine pi x to the power 4? Now we'll write pi x, we'll write pi by 2 is less than equal to pi x. It will be less than pi. Now in second quadrant, sine x is decreasing. So we can write, so 1 is greater than equal to sine to the power 4 pi x is greater than 0. Now we'll add 2. So 2 plus sine to the power 4 pi x, its value will decrease from 3 to 2. That means this 2 plus sine to the power 4 pi x, it is a decreasing function. So for this f dash x, this function increases and this function decreases. When numerator increases and denominator decreases, it simply means that this f dash x is an increasing function. So when x lies between 1 by 2 and 1, this f dash x, it increases. Now when f dash x is an increasing function, the minimum value of this function will occur at 1 by 2. So it will always be greater than f dash 1 by 2 and it will always be less than or equal to value at 1 and there will be f dash 1. Now what is f dash 1 by 2? F dash 1 by 2 will be 192 into 1 by 8 upon 2 plus, now sine pi by 2, sine pi by 2 is 1, it will be less than or equal to f dash x and it will be less than or equal to f dash 1 and f dash 1 in this case will be 192 by 2. So here it will be 24, 8 and here will be 96. So we can write the value of f dash x will lie between 8 and 96. Now we'll integrate the three functions from 1 by 2 to x. So we can simply write this as 8 and then x minus 1 by 2 will be less than fx from 1 by 2 to x and here will be 96 into x minus 1 by 2. So it will be 8x minus 4 less than equal to fx minus f1 by 2 and it will be less than equal to 96x minus 48. Now it is given that value of f1 by 2 is 0. So from here we can simply say that this function fx, it will lie between 8x minus 4 and 96x minus 48. Now we need to find minimum and maximum value of this integral from 1 by 2 to 1 fx dx. So what we'll do is we'll integrate these two functions from 1 by 2 to 1 8x minus 4 dx and it'll be less than or equal to 1 by 2 to 1, 96x minus 48 into dx. So we'll write this as 4x square minus 4x will be less than I, will be less than 48 x square minus 1, and this limit from 1 by 2 to 1 and 1 by 2 to 1. Now this value will be 4 into 1 by 4 will be less than or equal to I, and will be less than or equal to 48 into 1 by 4. So value of this integral, it will lie between 1 and 12. So small m, it could be 1, and capital M, it could be 12. So answer to this question is m equals 1 and capital M equals 12, and that's your option D.